Hi folks, this is Nessa from Infinitely Zero's channel. I wanted to give a few thank yous, shout outs. So today is Saturday, July 6th. I had gone on Don Yarndoll's channel. Thank you very much, Don. And Mr. Yarndoll, Jerry. She was doing a celebration on her channel. And this was a few weeks ago. And I actually won one of the giveaways. Yay! And it was this beautiful bag that is made by Queen's Crafts by Bridget. Please check out her YouTube channel. I believe this is the takeout bag. Sorry, my dog decided that he was thirsty right now, so that's the noise you hear in the background. Yeah, so I believe this is the takeout bag. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. It's butterflies, and the inside is orange. It's a beautiful bag. I know it, like I could barely see it in the pictures when we were doing the giveaway, but now in person it's really nice. It has like, I don't know if you can see, like a gold outline, has a nice handle. It can fit a cake in here. I don't have one close by to stuff in here. And it has snaps so you can snap shut on the top. I'm having snapping difficulties. There we go. It can snap. And she even has like a nice little tag that's sewn on here that says a queen bag. And it's really cute. It says there, Queen's Crafts by Bridget, and the washing instructions. And she sent a nice letter too, a card. Is a pretty thank you card. And it was really sweet what it said inside. Hi, buddy. It said, a queen's bag made by a queen for a queen. Love, Queen's Crafts by Bridget. And she put a really cute queen crown stitch marker. How cool is that? I'm gonna put it with my other stitch marker and my tin. I have a tin now, like all high tech, not lose my stuff. So yes, I definitely wanted to give a thank you and a shout out to Queen's Crafts by Bridget's YouTube channel. Please check her out. If you haven't already checked out her channel, please click like and subscribe. She definitely has more bags for sale. She mentions them in her videos, and she also has a post on her community tab of what bags she has available. She has different multiple size bags, like medium bags, hook and yarn project bags, and she goes all into detail about that. This is the takeout bag, I believe. And then she has a smaller little cute sock one. So yeah, go and check that out. And also, if you have a chance, please check out Don Yarndoll's channel as well, her YouTube channel. And while you're at it, also please go check out Mama G Gear. I know I've mentioned her a few times. They're a few people, maybe 20 plus short of reaching their 3,000 subscriber goal. And we definitely want her and Rusty to reach it before August, before their YouTube 3-year anniversary. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to them already, please go ahead and check them out and click like and subscribe. Thank you. And yeah, and I also wanted to show the current projects that I've been working on. I know I haven't been feeling very well. Not going to go into details about that. I'm still kind of feeling pretty tired about stuff. So yeah. So this is the blanket pattern I've been testing. I pretty much finished it, except I think it needs a little bit more of an edge or a border. So I contacted the designer, and I'm waiting to she mentioned that she was going to create an edging, So I'm waiting on that maybe in a week or so, and I'll look at it and see if I like it and add it and maybe test her border. And if not, she had mentioned that I can use my own border, so that's also an option too. And I still have a ton of ends to weave in with this project. So this is what it finally came out looking like. It's a corner to corner. It's the same stitch as that cardigan. I can't really go into a lot of detail because the pattern hasn't been released, but this is like a quick preview. It's kind of throw size, and later once the pattern's released and I have the edges and all the ends woven in, I'll include a better picture. I think that's a better view. It's always hard to show these blankets when I'm sitting down. So yeah. So I know the colors are different. It's the first time using some of these yarns for me. It was the Herrschners yarns, a gradients, and an Aran color, and then this multicolored one is the Big Twist, Joann's Big Twist. It was called Candy Basket or something like that. Their value yarn. So yeah. So that I'm waiting on the border because right now it just has this border and I may need to block it too. But again, like you can see, it has a lot of edges I need to weave in. I've also been working on a second reading shawl. So this is about as far as I've gotten. And this is the Joann's Big Twist Party Yarn. The Bobble Tea colorway. It's really pretty. This one's most likely for my aunt. This one's also for my aunt, which is the Christmas blanket, which I believe I was working on or I showed in one of the other videos. So that's how much I've gotten done so far. So I'm not done yet, but it's a good amount. And then I took out a work in progress project that I started last year, and I hadn't worked on it, and I was like, you know, I should bring it out. I should work on it. Maybe finish it soon. So this is actually a pattern by the Crochet Crowd and YArnspirations. It's called the Study of Determination Blanket. There's video tutorials for free. The pattern's a free pattern. The Christmas one is not a free pattern. That's a Herrschners pattern from the Herrschners kit, which I show the kit in a different video. Yes, so to this blanket, this is a free pattern. The Crochet Crowd has a free video tutorial for it. I did a few more rows, so I know I put a picture of it in my community tab. So this is how much I've gotten done. So they divided it, because it was a crochet along last year, they divided it by weeks, so I just have week 4 to finish. So yeah. So if you wanted to see that closer up. And this is actually using Red Heart Super Saver. I know people don't usually like that yarn. This is the Fruity Stripes colorway, but it's such a nice, vivid, strong yarn. Now that yarn actually goes by dye lot numbers, which it didn't before. And some of the newer dye lots, when I tried to order more yarn to finish this blanket, are faded. And they're not, the colors aren't exactly matching. So I haven't added those. I was able to get a few that were more vibrant. And I continued the blanket with those. But hopefully it won't be too noticeable that the dye lot's a little off. I think with the way that the color transitions, I think it'll be fine. And yeah, so that's everything. It's a nice short and sweet video. I still haven't finished the Lovey Knot amigurumi that I'm working on. I still have a bunch of other projects I'm working on. since I haven't been feeling well and tired, I haven't had a chance to do any tutorial videos. And my Joann's order finally came in, so I can do an unboxing of those yarns. But I've been too tired. So, and it's not a lot of yarn anyways. I was supposed to receive 6 cakes of yarn in that order of a new yarn of theirs, which was the Big Twist Rave yarn electric slime colorway, but they didn't ship it to me. And they didn't tell me, and they showed it as delivered, so I had to contact their customer service twice to try to get a status update and then a refund, because yeah, the order kept saying that it was delivered and I never got it. I never got it with the packages they sent, and nowadays Joann sends out, you know, 1 order, 7 shipments. So, but yeah. So that was a little disappointing that I don't have that yarn, but that's okay. I can live without it. I have plenty of other yarn. Yeah, I haven't finished the lovey-dovey, so therefore I haven't started in any of the other amigurumi projects either. I had to take a break. My hands were hurting when I was working on the knotted lovey with the blanket yarn, with the Bernat blanket yarn. Okay, folks, so that's everything. And take care. Also, I know in some past videos I had shown the sweater stole, or like sweater wrap, that I had made for a friend of mine in Tunisian crochet. I know I got one request in the Tunisian Facebook groups if there was a pattern, and I haven't written it down, but I didn't really see much many folks asking about a pattern. So if I get a lot of requests for the pattern, I may write it up and put it out. But so please let me know if anyone's interested in that, and I can do a tutorial on how to do the stitch and how to make it. It's actually pretty simple, but yeah, that was the main thing with that. I actually have a Ravelry page. My Ravelry page is linked in the About section of my YouTube channel. It's under my dance name, which is Rubesca, R-U-B-E-S-C-A. And also, I updated the About channel on my YouTube channel to include a shipping address, so that information is there if you guys need it, and my email address is there as well. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye. And please, if you get a chance, click like and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos.